Evening, everybody. Bobby, 2 pops of breaks. On Saturday, January 30th, we are breaking Bombbox full-size helmets. So 1-box break, we randomed up our, I do believe it was 7. I don't know why I keep forgetting this, getting a little late. Yes, sir. 7 remaining box numbers. We got box number 5. We did random teams for it on your left. We've already randomized teams, customers, alphabetized, everybody. Gave you all a chance to trade. And no one's really trading. We know all but one item from the checklist, so no one's really going to trade. And unfortunately, guys, I am so sorry, man. We had done the exact opposite of the other ones, man. We have pulled a lot of our filler stuff and going to leave a lot of our big hits. It's either going to be a cash box or a 1 placeholder, folks. I do have the placeholder helmet, if that's what it is. Bam! Yes, sir. That is going to be the Dick Butkus Amp Authentic for the Chicago spot, guys. I do have this. Again, it did come in the day after I boxed the series. Just grab it. Bam! Going to be the Chicago spot with the Dick Butkus Amp Authentic JSA certification and card on that one. Again, Amp Authentic. Looks like that's going to be DMP with his daily slot there, guys. I'm sorry, Brad, everybody else there, but yep, that one's going to Mr. DMP. Yeah, DMP, the box itself isn't in too great a shape. I'm just letting you know that. So when you're pulling it out, just be a little careful there, I guess. Switch that out now, though. Whoops. I'm going to run a qualifier. I'm sorry, everybody else there, guys. One of the daily, whoa. One of the, Jesus. Pull one of the daily spots out. All right, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times, everybody. Going to be Steve and Bradley are going to get our qualifiers on that one, everybody. 73, 74 on the qualifiers. We got 6 boxes left. 5 nasty hits, all worth break value or higher pretty much, guys, and 1 cash box. So you're set up pretty damn well. Breakers.tv, YouTube, and Facebook. Have a wonderful night.